Hi guys, we have got a very big surprise for you, which is nothing but a GoPro 12 Black. This is the Creators Edition bundle kit, and this has not only the camera but it also has a tripod, a grip, which is a convertible actually. You can use it as a grip or a tripod. Along with that, what you get in this bundle, you get the LED light, you get the internal mic, you get the case, camera case, and the full kit case. As far as the accessories are concerned, let us see what all are there in this, right? So let me show you the box behind. So here all you get the features list, what you get in this GoPro, and here is a picture of how to install uh, different kind of accessories that you get inside. So from here also you can see you have got LED light here. This has a mic cover, this is internal media mic, this is the GoPro case, and this is your tripod. Here are the screws and the mounts, and here are the detailing of what all parts, number of parts that you have inside. This is my external battery, this is the mount, two screws are there, two mounts are there. One is the flat mount, one is the tripod mount, one is the curved mount, and here this you get the battery case and two USB cables. On the left side of the box you can see, like before you want to buy this, you can see and review the features, and you can see here what all features that you get. So let's unbox this and see what is all there inside. Okay, so let's keep going. Okay, there's a puller here. Let me open this, and the slider. Let's open. Okay, so it's a slider box. Let me pull this out, and here we got a case. See, such a beautiful and a semi-solid case. And it has a holder also. There's a zipper. Let me open it. GoPro logo on the top, and let's see what's inside. Oh. So this one is a QR code for installation of your camera. Some manuals here on the top. Here's the tripod and your grip. So see, such a wonderful and a beautiful grip it is. So this is a mount for your camera, and this is the USB cable. Tripod, you can unfold it and this will become your tripod. So such a nice little grip it is. Here is the LED light. So this is on and off. So you have two modes of lighting options. One is the dim, one is the hard. In fact, it's the 3-1. So there's a blinker also. You hold and you can off it, right? So what is this? This one is, I think it's a battery. Yes, this one is the battery. Here's the cover. We'll pull it out and put it inside. This is the case, camera case. We will see how to install it. And this is the real product. Let's pull this off. So what we were actually waiting for. This is, see, a cute little GoPro camera, which is fully covered. Right now the protection is there. This is the camera lens protection. This is the camera screen protection. Let me pull this off as well. And the side grip. Okay, and this one is the screen. Yes. So this is for switch off and switch on. This is the mode, like you want to set the mode, you can set it from here. See, such a beautiful little GoPro action camera. It's with the blue 12 black branding, the GoPro branding on the front. Let's switch this on, right? Okay, so let's see what all accessories we have got inside. Let me pull this off and we'll see the little mounts here. One is this, flat ones. These are the two little mounts, right? These are the screws, two screws for your two mounts. And we have got two USB cables, one for charging the battery and the other one is for data transfer. And this one is the very beautiful thing. This is the mic cover. This is a little sponge type. This is a protection for your high intensity mic that you get it. We actually install it here so that it is protected from the moisture and the dust. Along with this we get a mount here and for the tripod and the camera, and we get this for the battery. So these are the little manuals. You can install your camera from here. You can subscribe for the QR code scan, and from here you can scan a QR code and install and update your camera. And these are the step by step how to install your mounts to complete your setup. So that's it. These are all we got it in this: the light, camera case, the kit case, tripod, and the grip convertible thing, right? So I hope you love this product, and in our next video I'll tell you and I'll show you the video quality of this GoPro 12 Hero Black Creators Edition. Thank you.